The Logitech Z120 mini speaker is a pair of mini boom houses that gives a portable yet good sound. So how does it perform? Stay tuned to find out more. Alright, I'm Chester, you're watching our channel Chester and Unboxing, so where we do video unboxings, reviews and an occasional tech build, full build of a computer. So stay tuned for more of those videos. Subscribe to us, it will really help us. Alright, so today we're going to be looking at something a little bit different. So today is the Logitech Z120. This is a pair of mini compact stereo speakers, as how they would like to brand it. So basically the focus of these speakers is, instead of those big speakers where you need to connect to the wall and then a lot of cables and stuff, this is a very compact solution. It is only USB powered. Alright, so you only need to plug the 3.5mm jack into your computer for audio out, and a separate USB cable into any USB port, your desktop or your laptop even so, and that's it, you're ready to rock and roll. So yeah, that is one of the selling points. So let's open this up. So this is let's see, important safety compliance information. Okay, what do we have here? Well, lots of protection. So let's open this up. So yes, these speakers run at, they are rated for up to 2 watts of power, so it's actually very little. So as you can see, USB and 3.5mm jack, that's all you need, nothing else sticking out of this speaker. Down to the speakers itself, okay, you see that there is a protection port here, so let's take out the wrapping. So yeah, just now I mentioned 2 watts, that is total power. So RMS is about 1.2 watts roughly. And it is about 250 grams of weight, so it's not very heavy. So one good thing here is, it has only one single knob for volume. There is no EQ, no bass, no treble. Very simple, so just off and on, just like that. Alright, so in my testing, I realized that the speaker does not distort even at high volumes. But I mean, if you max it out and you really pump out those bass, yeah, it's definitely gonna distort. I mean, look at the size of the cone, it's just so small. Yeah, but for the most of us out there, we're not going to run this speaker at its maximum volume, maybe somewhere at around 1 o'clock. Yeah, but it is plenty good for most applications. Right, so yeah, I guess that's about it. Very fast, simple and neat. Oh yes, one more thing. So at the back of the speaker, you'll find this particular thing here, that this is actually for cable management. So in case the cables are too long, so what I do is you can actually turn it around and around, so you do not need to use a cable tie or that. So it's pretty neat, pretty space saving feature. Right, so that concludes our unboxing and first impressions of the Logitech Z120 compact stereo speakers. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. I'm Chester, that's all for today. See you guys.